How do you graph systems of algebra inequalities? Have you ever wondered how to graph systems of algebra inequalities? It may seem tricky at first, but with a few simple steps, you can master it. Let's break it down together. First, take each inequality in your system and rewrite it as an equation. This means you will replace the inequality sign with an equal sign. Doing this gives you the boundary line for each inequality, which is essential for graphing. Next, it is time to graph those boundary lines on the coordinate plane. If your inequality includes equality, such as less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, use a solid line. This shows that points on the line are part of the solution. If your inequality is strict, meaning it uses less than or greater than, you will use a dashed line. This indicates that points on the line are not included in the solution. Now let's determine which side of the boundary line to shade. Choose a test point that is not on the line. A common choice is the point with coordinates 0, 0, unless that point lies on the line. Substitute the test point into the inequality. If the inequality holds true for that point, shade the side of the line that includes the test point. If it does not hold true, shade the opposite side. Repeat these steps for each inequality in your system. Make sure to graph all of them on the same coordinate plane. Once you have graphed all the inequalities, look for the solution region. This is the area where the shaded regions of all inequalities overlap. This overlapping area satisfies all inequalities at once. To make sure your solution is correct, test points within the overlapping region. Check that they satisfy all the inequalities. By following these steps, you can visualize the solution set for systems of inequalities. This method is useful for real-world situations, such as budget limits or resource availability. Understanding key terms can also help. The boundary line is the line formed when you turn the inequality into an equation. A solid line indicates that points on the line are included in the solution, while a dashed line shows that they are not. Shading highlights the region where the inequality is true. With practice, you will feel more confident graphing and interpreting systems of inequalities. This will make algebra feel more approachable and practical for your everyday life.